Welcome back to dailycryptotalk.com. It's Sunday, November 24th, 2024.
Sunday already.
We're your trusted guides through the crypto world.
That's right.
Don't forget to hit that bell icon.
So you never miss a session.
Let's jump right in, shall we?
Let's do it.
Taking a look at Binance today.
Okay.
KSM, Sandy, and BOENC are top gainers.
Wow. Yeah, those are big numbers.
KSM up a huge 85%.
85, you heard that right.
That's amazing.
San, almost 47%, and BOENC gaining 41%.
What are your initial thoughts?
Pretty impressive, right?
Yeah, I'm wondering about sustainability.
You think a correction's coming.
Possibly. It's crypto. Anything can happen.
Volatility is the name of the game, that's for sure.
Always got to keep that in mind.
Now, we've also got some dips today.
Oh, let's hear about those.
DOGE, XRP, and BOENC.
Uh-oh.
DOGE down about 5.5%.
Oh.
XRP trailing behind, 5.25% drop.
Okay.
And BONK, 5.24% decrease.
Well, some red on the charts today.
happen.
It's got to zoom out, right? Look at the bigger picture. Exactly. Daily fluctuations are normal.
Exactly.
Speaking of the bigger picture, let's talk Bitcoin.
The king.
Currently around 98,258%.
Holding strong.
Little dip, 0.48%. But still, Bitcoin dominance persists.
It's fascinating, isn't it?
It really is.
Bitcoin's resilience, even with these altcoin rallies.
Some analysts are saying $100,000 is just around the corner.
Oh, I've seen those predictions.
Cointelegraph, 85% probability by the new year.
And VanEck, even bolder, $180,000.
$180,000 Bitcoin. Whoa!
Makes you think about the what-ifs, doesn't it?
Speaking of what-ifs, there's a lot of talk about Elon Musk.
Oh, Elon and crypto, always an interesting combo.
Imagine if Tesla started accepting only Bitcoin for their vehicles.
Wow, that's a big one. A real game changer.
Huge implications.
Definitely put Bitcoin's utility to the test.
I saw a comment on Binance Square that really stood out.
Oh, what was it?
Someone said, if Musk really does this, there are only two possibilities. One is that Bitcoin becomes a real currency. The other is that Tesla goes bankrupt.
Wow, strong statement.
It makes you think, doesn't it?
Really puts the stakes into perspective.
Would you buy a Tesla with Bitcoin?
That's a tough one.
Let us know in the comments. And while you're there,
Hit that bell icon for all our analysis and insights.
now let's move on to a couple of projects making some noise.
All right, what do we have?
BTTC, or BitTorrent Chain,
Interesting.
and Shiba Inu,
The one and only SE.
two very different projects, each with their own.
Opportunities and challenges for sure.
Let's start with BTTC, aiming to shake up file sharing and storage,
Decentralization, that's the key.
building on the BitTorrent network.
Huge potential reach with that.
Analysts are excited about BTTC's prospects in the decentralized file sharing space.
Especially with that Tehran connection.
It's a big factor. But as with any project, there are challenges.
Of course, always challenges.
BTTC's got some tough competition.
Right?
Filecoin, Arweave,
I see. Vying for that same space.
and then there's that massive token supply.
Right, that can impact price.
Despite these challenges, analysts are projecting BTTC could reach
Go on, give us the numbers.
between 0.01 and 0.005 by 2030.
Pretty wide range there.
Uncertainty is part of the game.
Absolutely.
Can BTTC carve out its niche? That's the question.
The million-dollar question.
Let's move on to Shiba Inu,
S-Shape, the meme coin phenomenon.
driven by community enthusiasm.
The Shiba Army is a force.
But as we know, meme coins can be volatile.
Sentiment and trends, they play a big role.
Long-term sustainability, it needs more than hype.
Right. Gotta have substance, too.
The Sheep team seems to understand this.
I've seen some interesting developments.
They're working on building real-world utility.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
ShibaSwap, their decentralized exchange.
Interesting.
Shibarium, a layer 2 scaling solution.
Makes sense.
Even exploring metaverse integration.
Wow, they're ambitious.
Creating a whole SHIB ecosystem.
That's the goal.
Ambitious roadmap. Whether it translates into lasting value, that's what we'll see.
We'll have to wait and see.
And then there was that SHIB token burn.
Oh, yeah, I heard about that. $60 trillion worth.
Bold move.
It's a strategy, increase scarcity, potentially drive up the price.
Some analysts think it could push SHIB to 0.011 cents or even higher.
Others are skeptical, though.
It's a high-stakes game, that's for sure.
Crypto always is.
Makes you realize how important it is to understand not just the projects themselves,
Yeah.
but also the broader factors that influence the crypto market.
Exactly.
Hit that bell icon below, folks.
So you don't miss our deep dives.
We unpack these complexities, help you navigate this world. Stay tuned.
We'll continue this discussion after a quick break.
Master the markets with TrendSpider, the ultimate platform for smart traders. Discover automated trendline detection, multi-time frame analysis, and custom alerts that keep you ahead of the game. Ready to trade smarter? Click the link on this page to start your free trial with TrendSpider.
All right, back to it. We've talked trends, specific projects.
Lots to unpack.
Now let's apply this knowledge. What should you do?
Our listeners.
Buy, sell, hold.
The big questions. Let's dive into the analysis.
Help you make informed decisions.
Starting with Bitcoin. It's been around that $98,000 mark.
Yeah, consolidating for a while.
Signals. Jump in or be patient. Bitcoin. Always a fascinating case. Trying to break through,
$100,000, that psychological barrier.
Exactly. Some resistance there. For those holding, I'd say hold.
No need to panic sell.
Definitely not. But wouldn't recommend buying right now either.
Wait for that break above $100,000.
With strong volume, that confirms bullish continuation. Patience is key.
Especially with Bitcoin. Okay, KSM, on fire today.
Up over 85%.
Golden opportunity or too good to be true.
KSM, very tempting, those gains. But caution advised.
These rapid increases, often,
Unsustainable. Chasing momentum, it's risky. What goes up?
can come down just as fast.
Exactly.
So not a buy on KSM.
I'd lean towards hold, even a potential sell if you're holding and want to lock in profits.
Parabolic moves like this.
Often end with a correction.
Managing risk, that's what it's all about. Sand, another one making waves. Metaverse hype.
Sandy is interesting. The metaverse is hot,
No doubt about that.
but also incredibly volatile.
Right now,
Hold. If you're invested, watch those metaverse trends.
continued growth could signal more upside.
But if the hype cools down, sand could be vulnerable. Understand the bigger picture. Don't get caught up in the noise.
Don't forget, folks, hit that bell icon. Stay on top of these trends. Never miss our analysis.
We got you covered.
1. Another token with gains today, over 40%. Good entry point, or wait for a pullback.
One's been on a nice run. Layer 1 blockchain gaining traction.
Found the promising.
But again, caution. Best to wait for a pullback before buying.
Jumping in at the peak.
Risky move.
So, a hold on one as well. Patience, the theme of the day. Turning to the coins that are down, DOGE, over 5%.
DOGE, the OG meme coin.
Always catches people's attention.
Volatile, it's had its moments, but down 5%, I wouldn't buy right now.
Long-term believers.
Maybe hold. But short-term gains, probably best to stay away.
Got it. XRP, another one making headlines.
The SEC lawsuit.
A major factor. Outlook. Hold on. Or is the risk too high?
XRP, it's tricky. Potential in cross-border payments.
But that lawsuit,
Looms large. High risk, high reward. The outcome, it's huge. Win. Skyrocketing. Loss. Devastating. For now, I'd say hold. See how it unfolds.
no rash decisions. Back to ESHAB, the token burn investment standpoint. Buy, sell, hold.
ESHIB, pure speculation play. The burn might create some price movement, short term, but long haul, I wouldn't bet on it.
Meme coins, driven by.
Hype, sentiment, it's fickle. Long-term investment, caution with ESH.
Not a buy on ESHIB then. Risky play. What about BTTC? Potential in decentralized file sharing, but good investment now.
Promising, yes, but early days. They need to overcome those challenges, gain traction.
So for now.
Keep it on your watch list, wait for more evidence, adoption, progress.
Okay, so holds for Bitcoin, KSM, SAMD, 1XRP, caution with DOGE and SHIB. BTTC, we're watching. Lots to think about.
Stay informed, that's crucial.
Hit that bell icon. Don't miss our upcoming sessions. We'll be back tomorrow.
Break down more movements, help you navigate.
But before we wrap up today, a listener question. We've got a question from Crypto Curious.
All right, let's hear it.
They're asking about the recent flash crash.
Oh, that WBTC USDT pair on Binance.
That's the one.
Definitely got people talking.
Should we be worried about similar events happening with other tokens?
It's a valid concern.
A timely question, given our discussion on volatility and risk.
It really highlights those inherent risks, even on major exchanges like Binance.
Can you break down what happened for those who missed it?
Sure thing. It seems a large sell order hit that WBTC USDT pair, and there just wasn't enough liquidity to absorb it.
Leading to that sudden price drop.
Exactly. Sharp and sudden.
It did recover quickly, though.
Thankfully, but it's a reminder these events can happen.
Crypto Curious is right to be concerned.
Absolutely.
Could this happen with other tokens?
It's possible, definitely.
Which ones should we be watching out for?
Tokens with low trading volume.
Okay.
Limited liquidity, they're particularly vulnerable.
So what can we do?
Stick with reputable exchanges.
Like Binance.
Of course, diversify your portfolio.
Never put all your eggs in one basket.
Exactly, and be cautious with those less established tokens.
Risk management, as always.
The golden rule of crypto.
We have another question.
Okay, go ahead.
This one's from Future Focused.
All right, future focused. What do you have for us?
With all this talk about Bitcoin's potential surge,
Yeah, those price predictions are getting pretty wild.
what other lesser-known cryptocurrencies are on your radar for potential growth?
The hunt for hidden gems.
Everyone wants to know.
It's the exciting part of crypto. Always new projects emerging.
So much potential out there.
But of course, I can't give specific financial advice.
Of course not.
Always do your own research, understand those risks.
We always emphasize that.
Absolutely, it's crucial.
Any general tips for identifying promising projects?
Beyond just looking at price predictions.
Exactly.
Focus on the fundamentals.
The fundamentals.
A strong team behind the project.
Makes sense.
A clear use case.
Solving a real problem.
A well-defined roadmap. And a solid track record.
No empty promises.
Definitely not. Look for substance.
Understand the technology.
Know what you're investing in.
And for those wanting to dive deeper,
I've got some resources for you.
lay it on us.
Binance Square and Binance Academy.
Fantastic resource.
Binance Square, you've got market insights, project deep dives,
And Binance Academy.
educational content for beginners and experienced traders alike.
A wealth of knowledge at your fingertips.
That's right. Stay informed, stay ahead of the curve.
All right, folks, that wraps up our deep dive for today. Market trends, specific token analysis, risk management, identifying those promising projects.
A lot to digest for sure.
Staying informed is key in this story.
Absolutely can't emphasize that enough.
Hit that bell icon, never miss a session.
We'll be back tomorrow. More analysis, more insights.
Helping you navigate this exciting market.
See you then.
Ready to dive into crypto? Trade smarter with Binance, the world's top crypto exchange. Enjoy low fees, a user-friendly app, and access to hundreds of digital assets. Whether you're new or experienced, Binance has everything you need. Start trading today. Click the link on this page and get started.